Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing another face mask video. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know I am obsessed with face masks. I do them weekly. I'm constantly trying new things out, and it has been a while since I filmed a face mask video for you guys, but you guys know I like to really test out products, really try things, really make sure that things work for me, so at least that way I can share them with you guys. Before I get into the mask and the video, I just wanted to let you know, always do a patch test. What may work for me may not work for you. You know how that goes. And if you are new to my channel, I have normal to combination skin. I am acne prone, I have hyperpigmentation, but my skin is not sensitive. I've been doing face masks for the longest. I mean, my own things, trying new things, and I know my skin can handle. So the mask I want to talk about is this right here. This I picked up, I want to say it was at the vitamin shop, and I picked this up a little while ago. Different places that sell this, the prices will vary. When I picked it up, I think it was about $10, and I also had a coupon, so it actually cost me less than $10. So if you can find it and find it on sale and look for a coupon, it always helps. So this is the Moroccan Red Clay Powder. When I first picked this up, it just said facial detox. I'm always trying new things. I actually picked this up without reading or doing any research, checking the benefits, checking any of that stuff. But after looking it up, it has really great benefits. So this mask is really good for acne. It's really good for evening out your skin tone, and it's really good for smoothing the texture in your skin. When I break out, I don't reach for this mask. I actually just use this when my skin is on its good behavior and I just want my skin to look smoother and the texture to be even out, and I just want my skin to look more refreshed, if that makes any sense. When my skin is breaking out, I have other masks for that. I can link that down below for you guys. But this has been, I've been using this so much. I think I used this week alone 3 times, and it's not even the end of the week. So I've just really been loving it, and it's so easy to use. You literally just need a little bit of this and a little bit of water. I like to make sure that mine isn't too thick, and a little product goes a really long way. Just slowly add your water in and just mix it together and pretty much just put it all over your face. This is the color of it, so hopefully I don't dump anything out. But yeah, that's what it looks like, and it literally looks like this on my face. It actually just looks a little darker than my actual complexion, and it doesn't take a long time for it to dry. I think I normally keep this on for about 10 minutes and then wash it off in the shower. But with this mask, I like bringing it all the way down to my chest area. I usually wear a tube top or just tank top and just kind of bring it down to like my shoulders and wherever. It's just such a good mask, and I have really weird tan lines from tank tops, t-shirts, all of that from just being out and about, but it's such a good mask, and literally it's so quick. You don't need to leave it on for a really long time, and it's just, your skin just looks good. So I want to say I have been using this mask for about 4 months or so consistently, and I actually, let's see how much I have in here. I know it's kind of hard, and yeah, it's kind of hard to see because it's not clear. So I actually have about this much left. So I went through more than half of this in 4 months. Absolutely love it. I've noticed a huge difference. I wasn't sure if it was other things that I was doing, so that's why it's kind of taken me a while to jump on camera and tell you about this, but I've really been enjoying this. So I'm going to insert a clip right here of me mixing it together and putting on my face. I only use a very small amount of product, you'll see in the video, and a little goes a really long way. So yeah, here's a clip. All right, so that wraps up this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.